Unlock a winning TradingView strategy with 85% accuracy. Today, I'm thrilled to share a TradingView strategy that could revolutionize your trading game. Imagine a strategy designed to deliver consistent winning signals. Yes, you heard me right. Winning signals that can filter out noise and focus only on accuracy. When I discovered this strategy, I couldn't help but think, why didn't I find this sooner? This is hands down one of the most effective approaches we have ever tested on this channel. By combining two simple yet incredibly powerful indicators, this strategy ensures you avoid false signals and focus on results. What's even more exciting? It boasts an average accuracy of over 85%. And no, this is not just hype. This strategy has been tested on live accounts, delivering proven results across multiple markets. So stick around as I reveal everything: the indicators, their optimized settings, and how to execute trades like a professional. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Step 1. Setting up your chart. Start with a clean chart on TradingView. Choose a time frame that works best for your trading style. While this strategy is ideal for scalping smaller time frames, it's just as effective on higher ones for those preferring swing trading. This strategy works great for day trading and swing trading across crypto, forex, or even stocks. Now, let's dive into one of the best tools on the TradingView website, their indicators. To use them, we need to access the Indicators section to add them to our chart. And in this section, we need to search for these two indicators and add them to the chart. Indicator 1, add the Multiple EMA Indicator to your chart. Indicator 2, search for and apply the Machine Learning Adaptive Supertrend by Algo Alpha. At this point, your chart will start to transform, but don't rush. Optimized settings are the key here. Click on the settings for the Multiple EMA Indicator. Go to the Input tab and enter the following values for the EMAs: 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Next, go to the Style tab and uncheck the boxes for 50 EMA and 100 EMA. This makes your chart cleaner and easier to read. After this step, your chart should display the EMA lines clearly, aligned parallel to each other. Open the settings for the Adaptive Supertrend Indicator. In the Input tab, set the ATR length to 18. Set the Supertrend factor to 2. Once done, your chart is fully prepared. The EMA lines and Supertrend signals should now be visible and easy to understand. Buy setup line position. Check EMA alignment. Ensure the market is below all the EMA lines with proper spacing between them. If the EMA lines are too close or uneven, wait for better alignment. Look for a green Supertrend tag. Wait for the green tag to appear from the Adaptive Supertrend Indicator. Place the trade on the next candle. Set your stop loss at the recent swing low. For take profit, consider your risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. Sell setup short position. Check EMA alignment. Ensure the market is above all the EMA lines with proper spacing between them. Look for a red Supertrend tag. Wait for the red tag to appear from the Adaptive Supertrend Indicator. EMA lines are aligned and the market is above them. Place the trade on the next candle. Set your stop loss at the recent swing high. For take profit, consider your risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5. By following these steps carefully, you will filter out almost all false signals, making this one of the most reliable strategies you can use across different markets, including crypto, forex, and stocks. Let us know your results in the comments section. If this strategy works for you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more powerful trading tutorials. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.